Hi there, it's Lissa from Domestic Heights. So today I'm going to show you how to assemble this felt daffodil. Super easy. What I've done here is I've pre-cut out the petals using a design that I have available for free in my resource library. I cut these on my Cricut cutting machine, but you could probably also do this one by hand. It's relatively simple design. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to curl, we're going to create a little indentation in the petals. And the way we do that is apply a tiny dab of glue at the base of the petal and then just pinch and hold for a few seconds. I like to use a hot glue gun for this because it's just so much faster. You could probably use fabric glue, which I've tried in the past, but it just takes a long time. Okay. So you just pinch and hold. Try not to use too much glue because you can really easily burn your fingers. The less glue you use, the faster it dries. Okay, so the centerpiece, we want this to sort of go up, all the petals to go up vertically. So I'm just going to glue them going to glue all the petals and overlap them. So it looks like a little cup at the end. The other thing with hot glue gun is if you feel like you made a mistake, then you just sort of apply the tip a little bit and it melts the glue and you can redo the part that isn't to your liking. Okay. Almost done here. Ow. This is what happens when you use too much glue. Okay. Now we're just going to glue the layers together.